Hi there, welcome to Xperts Tech. Today we will see how to install Android Studio Emulator on a Windows PC. First we need to know about Android Studio. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android development and includes everything you would like to create Android apps with. It's available for download on Windows, Mac and Linux-based operating systems. First of all, download the Android Studio Emulator. Once you have downloaded, open your download folder, double-click on the Android Studio IDE .exe file to start the installation process. Welcome to the Android Studio setup screen. Click Next. Select Android Studio components you would like to install and then click Next. Select the Browse button if you would like to install Android Studio to a different location or keep the default settings and click Next. Leave it as a default installation location and then click Next. Installation completed. Click Next. Keep the Start Android Studio box checked and then click Finish button to start Android Studio. Select Do Not Import Settings and then click on OK. Android Studio setup has been completed. Click Next. Choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio and then click Next. Select an interface theme and then click on Next. After clicking the Finish button, Android Studio will start the process of downloading SDK components. Android Studio downloading components is in progress. Click the Finish button to finish the installation. Welcome to the Android Studio dialog box. Here you can choose Start a new Android Studio project or open an existing Android Studio project. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.